You think you know your market? If you're not using Helium 10, then it's going to be hard to get ahead because this is the one tool that I know of where you can actually see how much sellers are making on Walmart, right? So if we're typing in Disney, or we want to sell some Disney items or things that are related to Disney, what we can do is actually just look at any of our competitors and we can look at the extension. So we can Helium's an extension. Looks like it's a free Chrome extension. You can click Get Started. There is a link in the description to get access to the Helium 10 plan. And when you look at Disney, we're going to click right here, X-ray. And what it does is it loads the actual data of the sellers. So let's zoom in a little bit. And right off the bat, we can see we've got this little Disney princess suitcase. And we scroll to the right. Bada bing, and we can see how much money they're making. So they're making $119,000 per month on Walmart. Not only that, we see that somebody's also selling it or something very similar on Amazon. And let's see, who's selling it for more? $31. Yeah, Walmart's selling it for more. So Walmart is getting the bigger bang for the buck for this item. And it's great to see how much sales some of these sellers are making. This Disney woman's Winnie the Pooh Christmas light fleece sweatshirt is making over $300,000 a month. Very exciting, right? So we can kind of look at that. If we're doing some different, I'm going to need a Pixar. So if we type in Pixar, we've got cars. I don't know, these ones probably aren't going to be as popular, but again, we can run the tool. And then we're going to click X-ray. And sometimes it takes a bit to load. Let's see if what it loads for Pixar. Now we can see the data. And they've been working very hard on this tool, working with Walmart. They don't like to share their API. And we can see what's doing really good. So the Disney, who would have thought the Disney Pixar Cars Transforming Mac playset has been doing extremely well. And what we can do is open this up. Oh, wow, you can 3D image. I like that. And we can run it again just in here, just to see it again and kind of single it out and see how much money it's making. So an insane amount of money. Wow. And then on Amazon too, 3,500 reviews. It sounds fake, that review count. Amazon sales graph. Yeah, let's do it 1 year. We see the huge spike during the holiday season. We got last year, a big spike too. A lot bigger this year. Looks like they actually prepared. Listing quality score, very good. Everything's on hitting the mark. So you can see the listing quality score, what type of seller they are. And that really does make it very nice to see what the competitors are doing and what you can do to increase your sales. Right. So other than that, they do have other tools if we wanted to look into it. If we go into products, you can see they have also Cerebro, where we can actually plug in the competitor's keyword. This is good if you were right, like you knew who the top competitor is. And you plug in their Walmart product ID if it doesn't delete it. And then we can also see what keywords they're running and if they're running Walmart ads. And this, they are running Walmart ads. We can see they are running sponsored keywords right here. So it's obvious. And we can see exactly what keywords they're running for Walmart ads, which definitely can get us ahead if we're wanting to compete in this space. Now, that's it for today's video. If you did need help on Amazon, link right in the description to contact us. We are Amazon experts, and drop a like if you learned something. Subscribe if you want to learn more. Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.